Welcome to Smart Education. This is class 10 math series. We are doing real numbers. Last video में we studied about decimals. हमने समझा था terminating, non-terminating, recurring, non-recurring decimals क्या होते हैं. बट अगर हमें बिना डिवाइड करे पता करना हो कि डेसिमल कैसा है तो हम कैसे पता लगाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कंसिडर दीज फ्रैक्शंस. अब ये इतने बड़े बड़े नंबर्स हैं, इनको डिवाइड करके देखेंगे तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा. सो विल टेल यू अ सिंपल ट्रिक जिससे हमें फ्रैक्शन को देख के पता चल जाएगा कि उसके आंसर में टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल आएगा या नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल आएगा. The trick is that you have to look at the denominator very carefully. अगर denominator is a multiple of 2 or it's a multiple of 5 or it's a multiple of 2 and 5 both, then we say that it will have a terminating decimal. Otherwise not. Please remember it should have multiple of 2, multiple of 5 or multiple of 2 and 5 both. No other number should be there. Then only that fraction will have a terminating decimal. So let's check. For the first fraction, 128 can be written as 2 to the power of 7. That means 128 is a multiple of 2. So this fraction will have a terminating decimal. Second fraction can be written as 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. अब इसमें 3 extra आ रहा है. That means this fraction will have a non-terminating decimal. In the third one, if you look carefully, it is 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 5. So it is a factor of 2 and 5. Sorry, multiple of 2 and 5. So it will have terminating decimal. Last one, it can be written as 7 to the power of 3. So last में it is a multiple of 7. So we'll say that this fraction will have non-terminating decimal. So it's a simple trick. हमें सिर्फ denominator को देखना है. If it's a multiple of 2, multiple of 5 or multiple of both, then it is terminating, otherwise non-terminating. There is one interesting thing left regarding terminating non-terminating fractions, which we'll be doing in the next video. So do subscribe and watch our short videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 7 p.m. Don't miss out the NCERT exercises. It's coming on Saturday at 7 p.m.